Please subscribe and press the bell icon near subscribe button to get notification about my new videos. Hello everybody, I am Anjalee and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this kind of blouse. So I'm making the front side of the blouse. This is the back side and I have already done video for this. So let's get started with the front side. So first I'm going to draft it. So first I'm going to take the half of my shoulder measurement, that is 7, and then I'll take half of my armhole measurement, that is 7.5, and then I'll make a straight line here like this. Now for the neckline I'm taking 4 inch of width for the boat neck. Then half an inch down I'm making the shoulder drop. Here I'm taking 2 inch for the neck depth, and then I'll give a gentle curve. Here I'm going to measure the measurement of my chest. So whatever the measurement of your chest is, divided by 4 and then mark a point here. Here I'm marking 1 inch of point for the armhole, and then I'll take half of this line and then I'll mark a point here, and from this point I'll make 2 centimeter small line ahead. Then I'll join all these points with a curve like this. So this will be our front armhole measurement. Now I'm going to measure the waist part. So whatever the measurement of your waist is, divided by 4 and mark a point here. So this is the point. Now I'm going to take 4 inch of marking from here, and then from the shoulders I'm going to take the highest point of my bust, that is 11, and I'll mark that point here, and I'll join these 2 points with a straight line. So this line is for my dart. Now here I'm giving 1.5 inch of marking for my darts, and then I'll make this dart. Now this 1.5 inch of gap that I have given for the dart, I'm going to extend this part here. So I'll take 1.5 inch extra and I'll mark a point here. Now I will join these 2 points. Here I'm giving 2.5 inch for the cutting. So this is your choice. You can take 2 inch, 1 inch or 1.5 inch. I'm giving little bit of extra fabric. So here my marking is done. Now I'm cutting this. So here my drafting is done. Now I will place this on the fabric like this. So this is my folded fabric and I have placed my pattern on this, and I'm cutting exactly the same. So first pin this and then cut it out. Here my cutting is done. Remove the pins and my fabric is ready. Here you can see. Now I'm going to place this on the lining part here, and I'll cut it exactly the same, and then facing both the right sides together I'm going to give stitch here on the neckline and the bottom part. So here my stitch is done. I have given the stitch to the neckline and the bottom part. Now here I'm giving small cuts to the neckline, and then I will take out the right part out. Here my neckline is looking like this, and this is the bottom part. Now you can give top stitch here on the neckline Now fold this in half and then give the darts for the blouse. Now measure this part. Mine is 5-inch long line, so I'll take exactly 5-inch long line here also on the fabric, and then I'll give the darts. Here my darts are done. Now I will fold this and I will make the similar dart to the another side also. So again make the similar dart in a similar way. Make 5-inch long line and then give darts. So here my both the darts are done, and I'm going to give stitch here to both the darts. So here you can see my darts are done, and here I have given 2 small darts to the armhole side. So what you have to do is you have to take the middle part of your armhole, and then from that part you have to take 2-inch or 2.5-inch of line and then make a similar dart with the 1/4 inch of gap and then give the stitch. So here my all the darts are done, and I have given top stitch to my neckline also. Now I'm going to attach the back side of my blouse to the front side. So I have already done video for this. I will leave the link below in the description box. You can go and check it out. So just facing both the right sides together, I will give stitch to the shoulders, and then I'll complete my sleeves. So here I have given the stitch to the shoulders and my shoulders are attached. Now I'm going to complete the sleeves. So for that I have this long bias binding strip. So facing both the right sides together, I will attach my bias binding to the sleeves. So here I will place it like this, and then I'll give stitch to the edges of the strip, and I'll take my strip to all over the sleeves part like this. And once it will be done, then I will turn it to the back side and I will make a thin piping. So here I am giving stitch. So here my stitch is done, and I'm giving small cuts to all over the sleeves part, and then I will take this strip to the back side, to the wrong side of the blouse, and then I'll give 2 little folds and I'll make the piping. So here you can see my piping is looking like this, and my sleeves is complete. Now I'm going to give the side fittings. So according to your measurement, you can mark the measurement of your chest and the waist and then give the stitch. So this is very easy to do. So like this I have given the side fittings of my blouse, and my sleeves are done, my neckline is done, and you can see the darts also. So this blouse was really easy to make, and this blouse will give really beautiful and glamorous look to your sari. And from the back side we have this little bow, and this is really easy to make blouse. You can attach a pad also here for the front side of your blouse. So this is the overall look of my blouse, and my sari blouse is looking like this. You can see it was so easy to make, and this is the back side. So I hope you liked this video and you learned something new, and if you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.